All right, y'all, we're here to test the Hoovo again, but I'm gonna run it on 6S, and then I'm also going to run it on, well, I'm gonna try to run it on 8S. I gotta make some adjustments. I made some adjustments to the suspension, but 8S is gonna be a lot, even with that wheelie bar back there. I'm probably got to trim this wing or cut the back out. So, but I do wanna try this. You guys see that the GPS there is on 5 miles per hour. I do wanna try this real quick out here on 6S. I'm just curious. With the kind of ratio and stuff that I'm running basically the 34-tooth spool and a 34-tooth pinion gear. So we're gonna get this body on here. Give me just a second, I'm gonna get the body pins on there and we're gonna take this and give it a test run. All right, y'all, we got all that geared up. And like I said, 8S is capable. I just don't want to trim my body up, even though I've crashed this body before. It's still pretty good. I mean, it's still presentable. So anyway, I probably have to take that wing off if I try 8S lipo, and I may do that. But let's go ahead. Let's get this going. Let's see what kind of speeds we get real quick with this. Ooh, he's cruising too, y'all. And this is 6S only. Did I lose reception? I know sometimes if I go too far down here, I kind of lose it. I might have come unplugged. So give me a minute. Let me walk down here and see what's going on. Hopefully I can get something. Nope, nothing. So let me go down here and let's see what went on. Okay, it's a reception thing. I just saw him move a little bit, I think. There we go. Come on back down. There we go. I know if I go, there's some kind of security system over there too, so. And let's see what we got. I'm curious, that got up pretty good. I'm real curious actually what we got with that run or with that pass. I am running this a little bit heavier than it needs to be. I got lipos kind of on both sides, even though I'm only using one. But, ooh, GPS kind of trying to act up. I think that's 105. Come on. You was doing good earlier. That's okay, there we go. 104. That's not bad. I'm gonna try it one more time, one more pass, and see what we get with that. So let me get this body back on. It's at 104. Let's try this one more time. All right, y'all, body back on. Nice toasty Georgia weather. Actually, it's actually pretty good. It's like 92, 93 degrees, but it's not crazy hot out here. So I'm gonna try to go down here a little bit further so I don't have to go all the way down that way. Like I said, currently we're running on 6S. Got a little bit of extra weight up in there, so he is running a little fat today. I might have lost some reception trying to go too far, so let me get this aligned back up. All right, we got him ready. As I thought we did. There we go. Get this going. There we go. There we go. All right, let's see. Yeah. We're probably 104 is probably going to be the top speed on 6S lipo. So get this on back down here. Shouldn't be starting and stopping like that a lot, but I think that's basically what I got before on 6S. So let's see what we got here. Let's see if we top that 104 mile per hour. Said I'll be happy with that, but I'm gonna make one minor adjustment and then I'm gonna put 2 4S lipos in here. And we're gonna test it on, yep, 104. So 6S right now, 104, lipos kind of slide up. I gotta do some adjustments to this. I'm gonna put 2 4s in and we're gonna try it on 8S and see what it does. All right, y'all, do not do what I'm doing. I'm gonna run this without the body. I'm just not gonna cut that body up right now. So anyway, we are still at the 104 miles per hour that it got on 6S. So we're gonna try this on 8S. Should do okay, but if it starts to act crazy, pick up air, I'm just gonna stop. So do not do this. Put your body on it, cut your body up if you have to. Do some adjustments to a body, get a better air flowing body, adjust wings, blah, 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 whatever. All that technical stuff we always talk about. I'm just gonna do one quick pass with this, see how this kind of holds up. I'm just curious. Woo! He lost it a little bit. Should have warmed these tires up somewhat, but that was still pretty good. Let's see what we got with that. That was still pretty good. 104, all right. Let's see if we can do better than that. I know we can do better than that. I think soon we started getting up, he started losing it. Try this one more time. I think right about there is our spot. All right, let's go. Woo, he got it. And so definitely gonna need some adjustments to it, but I'm trying to get more than 110. Let's see what we got with that pass right there. This may say 115, I don't know. 114, that is good. Finger test, that is getting pretty hot. We're gonna do it one more time. What the heck? Adjust my steering just a tad bit. Should probably be able to get in the 120s, but I'm not trying to push it too hard. Yeah, definitely got to make some adjustments to this. So I'm happy with the 114 I got. I'm gonna leave it at that. I'm not even gonna try to push the envelope with that. I doubt we got any higher than that 114, but I'm gonna be happy with that at 114 miles per hour. I know what I got to do to adjust this, but I really want to get a center diff for this so that I can make it more into kind of a GT road car than anything else. But we're probably still at that 114. GPS is trying to, yep, 114. So that's not bad. 114 has a lot more potential, guys. I've seen a guy get up to 200 miles per hour with this, so it has a lot more potential than what I'm showing here. But I kind of want to try to find a center diff for this so that I can kind of make this into a GT car. But anyway, guys, put your comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.